Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nu Skin Enterprises, and what you can see on your screen is the long term chart for Nu Skin Enterprises, which is moving upwards in the long term trend. So this is very important. If the stock is moving upwards in the long term trend, so you should always use the correction as a buying opportunity unless the trend breaks. So here you have your long term support level, and we are going to discuss about the levels which you can see in this particular script along with the time. So let's start with the trend analysis and the levels which one should look at in probably in the days as well as in the months and in the years to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now I've already drawn a line of the big support level. As you can see, from 2000 till 2020 it hasn't break that level and it respected the same level. Okay, so you have your long-term support, and on the upside you simply have your first line of resistance or target on this line. Okay, so you have your target line, you can call it as a target or resistance level like this, and beyond that you have another level like this. So this is as simple as the trend looks. Okay, what you need to do is simply ride along with the trend. So there is nothing called you need to apply something extra in that. The one thing or the most important thing we should understand here is understand the trend and go with the flow. Okay, so do not simply use that use your mind that something will happen. If something will happen, we will change our stance accordingly and let the price decide. Do not simply put something inside your mind which nobody knows, probably because nobody knows the certainty about the market and what will happen, whether it will go up or goes down. Okay, but as long as the trend intact, you cannot say that okay it will start going down. That's not going to happen. So looking at the trend, you have your first line of support at $54, and if it breaks down, then you have $39 or $38 on the lower side, and your big support, the biggest support will come at $22, 22.28. So below 22.28 we do not have any trend. Okay, so 22.28 or $22 will be our big support, and if the stock breaks below $22, then we should get out of the trend or this particular stock. So on the upper side, so these are the first line of support, and you should understand and manage your risk before doing anything else. Do not simply think about the profit. First think about the risk and what will happen if you are agreeing to take that risk. Now on the upside, you have your first target in like $100. So you can consider in between $100 and $110, or simply use this line as your first line of target or big resistance. Now if the stock manages to crosses above $100 or the line, then you have a big target which is waiting in the upcoming years. So let me just simply tell you that this is your first line of target or resistance. If the stock crosses this line and makes a breakout above this line, so we are having a range, because we do not know the actual price movement. That's why we are having a range which will lead the price in between 240 to 350 odd dollars probably in the years to come. So what we are looking at is a big trend, and if things goes well, then obviously you are looking for a big upside. Now at the probability of 100 or this line is very higher or very much there when compared to this line, because the probability of this is very low, because it happens only once in 2013. But this line is very much there in the place since 2004, and every time stock goes up, it definitely reaches to or visit this line. So this is a very much possibility. Now coming to this line, this 240 and 350 zone, we should check the market mood once it reaches this line $100 or in between 100 $110. And if you find that okay, the market condition is good and there is ample amount of liquidity and investors are very much interested to buy purchase stocks, then we are going for this big one, and probably it will take couple of years. If it happens before that, then it's a different thing, but you should not think like it will happen in a month or so. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.